Is fuzzy wuzzy not doing it for you? Actually, no. Fuzzy string matching is good for shorter strings or when you're looking for minor differences, but I need something that can scale. How about rapid fuzz? Oh, it uses C++, much faster. But do you have anything that can handle phonetic spellings? What about jellyfish? Jellyfish works great to help me find similar documents that sound similar but are actually spelled differently, but I still need something that can scale. Vector scale, vectorize! Interesting. I take all my words, break them down into NGrams, then create a TDF-IDF matrix based on that. I can then use our matrix multiplications to then run cosine similarity across all of those to find out which things are similar. But you're just capturing the occurrence of words. How about something that captures the meaning of words? Vectors, representations, what are we really? Yes, using a language model like sentence transformers now captures embeddings or representations of a sentence's meaning. There's so many options, but you need something that scales to 1,000,000 documents? How about using a hash? That creates a fingerprint of the document and allows us to quickly scale across lots of documents to find near duplicates. We've come a long way from fuzzy wuzzy.